Now, convolution is a very important algorithm in signal processing, and it has many applications across different areas of this field. In this section, we are going to cover three major topics related to convolution, the convolution sum, the applications of convolution, and the convolution theorem, before moving to the applications or the theorem of convolution. We must first understand what convolution actually is. So we will begin this section with the basic concept, the definition, and the mathematical equation of convolution. After that, we will discuss how to calculate convolution step by step, focusing on the four important steps involved in the convolution process. Once we understand the concept and procedure, we will solve a numerical example to strengthen our understanding of convolution calculation. After that, we will implement the convolution sum in Python within this practical course. Once the concept is clear, we will move on to explore the applications of convolution in signal processing. In this section, we will discuss two major applications. The first one is signal denoising, which means removing unwanted noise from a signal using convolution. The second one is edge detection in a signal, where we will see how convolution helps us detect edges or sharp transitions in a signal that is changing over time. Finally, we will discuss the convolution theorem, which is also a very important and powerful concept in convolution theory and signal processing.